Oh, wait, I didn't see you there. Hold up. Who that sexy boy? Oh, now I'm just looking at myself. My bad. Hey YouTube, it's your boy Benji back with another video. If you know, you know. Alright, so listen, man. Today, I'm gonna teach y'all a little curly hair routine for them, boys that want them curly hair routine. Oh, look at the hang time on that. Look at the hang time. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a curly hair routine for them boys that been trying to get the curly hair, but it's just not working for y'all. You don't gotta perm your hair, nothing. I'm gonna teach you how to get them curly hair, so you can be looking fresh and fly and sexy and all that mess. So listen, a lot of these YouTubers, right, they be giving y'all curly hair routines, but it's not really curly hair. Like it's not real. But me, I'm gonna teach you a real curly hair routine, get your curls popping and all that. So anyways, if you wanna learn how to get the curly hair routine, just watch the whole video. Simple. Alright, bro, we out. The first step to getting the curly hair is to get it wet. Duh! You gotta get your hair wet in order for the curls to pop.
Bro, if you make that...
Yo, shut up! Get out! Anyways, like I was saying, you gotta wet your hair to make the curls pop. So, I'm finna hop in the little shower for a little bit, come back out, and y'all gonna see the wet hair. Alright, we out.
It's that nigga Flex and I'm back at it.
You snapped on this wall, you slow.
Drip hard like a runny nose when the nigga sick. Jugging finesse, hit a lick. Spend more than it came when I get it fit. I see the fake.
Okay guys, so in this step it's very important that you detangle your hair and also wash it very thoroughly and get all the dirt and leftover shampoo, leftover conditioner, any of those things. You want to get it out of your hair and make it clean. And as you can see, like, I'm using my hand to detangle my hair because I have a lot of knots in it. You gotta keep doing that while you're also washing your hair. Like, do it simultaneously.
I'm wearing designer pants.
Okay, so now I see that you're done with the showering process and detangling. So now all you gotta do is, put some conditioner up in it.
I ain't never been the type to get mad, I just got cheddar. I know they lurking and watch my trick. Guess you go call me a trendsetter. I fell in love with you.
After you got it wet and after you've detangled your hair with a brush, you're gonna have to put in some conditioner in your hair, right? Put some conditioner in your hair. Hold up. You're gonna have to get the conditioner, like, get a decent amount. Get your decent amount, right? You see it? Oh, this look type nasty. And then get a decent amount and, run it through your hair. Like, it's gonna look very, very white, but like, that's just part of the process. You gotta leave it in. You gotta make sure that you leave it in, you see? And make sure, like, you let it seep in, like, make it seep into your hair. Like, get you some of that conditioner, rub it in your hair, man. Get it all up in your hair. Like, make sure you run it through your hair and stuff. Yeah, just like this. Right? Just like that. Right? And now that you've got this, you got it up in your hair, right? The conditioner I'm using, by the way, is Tresemme. It looks backwards, but Tresemme. Thick and full with glycerin and all that. Yeah. This is the Shea Moisture. This is Shea Moisture. Yes. Get in your hair. Get it all up in your hair and stuff. After you get it all up in your hair, make sure that it really gets into your hair. That's what like if you think that you're already doing this, I feel like the mistake probably would be that you're not letting it like really seep into your hair. It has to seep into your hair. You gotta give it time to, you know, get up in your hair and stuff. And whatchamacallit, you're gonna have to whatchamacallit, detangle your hair again. Make sure, spread it into parts, and then, you know, brush it through. I'm about to show you right now. Give me a sec. Oh, you know, I got this. I usually use 4 hair ties, but I can't find any of my hair ties. So I'm gonna take this, put it on one side like this. Alright, put it on this one side. Right? Actually, I'm gonna go look for more headbands actually, so I could get 4 sides split, and I'll be right back. I didn't get 4, but I got 2. That's gonna work perfectly for this. Get that hair in. Ah, it went in my eye. What up? I'm good now. Get the 2 parts, right? And now I'm gonna, you know, brush this, the part in which I put into the thing. That way, the reason why I put it into parts is because I gotta separate it so that way, when I do so, right, I can really brush the curls out, like make it pop, you know, gotta make it pop, you feel me? Anyways, yeah, hold up.
I got my brush, right? Now, I'm gonna go to the second side. Back to the second side now. You feel me? Gotta get up on that. Yo, I swear to God, I can never make a video in this house. People always making mad noise. It's annoying. Alright, now I'm gonna get to the back. And now, I gotta get to the second part. The second part of the back. The second part. You just made me wet my hair for nothing. Now let me finish my video. No, you can't. Mama, you told me, right? I know, that's it. Ma, it's only 2 more minutes. No, it's not 2 more minutes. Ma, I want to
You see, hold up. So now right here that I put it in, right? I want to lock in the moisture in my hair, right? So I'm gonna, you know, put a little rubber bag on it for like 2 minutes. This is only because I have time. If you don't have time, we're gonna go right ahead with the next step. But since we have a little time, if you have a little time, make sure you lock in the moisture by putting in a rubber bag over here. So I'll be back. I'm back with the rubber bag. So look, put it over here. Put it over, oh my God. Put it over your head. Alright, so now take it off. I think we already locked in enough moisture for the hair, but the bag messed up my curls. Alright, now we're gonna put in some curling gel souffle, some, you know, shea butter. I said shea butter, shea moisture, curling gel souffle. We gotta get the curls, man. We gotta get it popping. It's too much noise outside. Alright, put it all up in our hair. Alright, yeah. You gotta get a little bit more water in it, cause you know we gotta make it curly, you feel me? Hold up. We got a little bit more water in it. So we got a little bit more water in it. I know I just put the curling gel souffle in my hair, but now we're gonna round it off with some eco styling gel to make the curls like stay in place, you feel me? So now we gotta make the curls stay in place. So, you know, they could be much better. So now, after you're done with this whole process, you feel me? You just gonna, what up? Just gonna shake it out. Hold up. You see the curls? Hold up. Let's shake it out. You wanna shake this out? You see it? Hold up. Ow, my eyes. You see the curls, bro? You see it? This is how you get real curly hair. Real curly hair, you feel me? This is how you do it. This is how you get the curls popping. And yeah, my fault. This is how you get the curls. Put up, shake it up. You feel me? You feel me? Look at the curls, man. Hold up. You see it? Look at the curls, fam. This is how you get curly hair. You see? This is how you get curly hair. So yeah, that's the end of the video, you feel me? If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe as always. I'm gonna be back with another video soon. And until then, this was a nice little curling video. I'm out this bit.
I'm on my crew. How about I shoot? How about I shoot?
I'm on my